Miss Ariel here, and you clicked on the craft box. And this week we are making a pirate hook. We're going to get some treasure. We're going to sail the 7 seas. So this is a fun craft that you get to play with right away. I know I'm having a fun time playing with my hook, so I can make everyone walk the plank at work at the library. So this is what we're gonna make this week, and I'm gonna show you how we did it. Now there's a few ways that you could make your pirate hook for this week. So you can either start with taking the cardboard piece, which is your hook, and covering it up with your aluminum foil, or you can color your cup first. Now your instructions say to start with your hook, but Miss Ariel's gonna start and color her cup. That way it might go a little bit quicker for me. So I'm gonna color my cup. You can color it any color, shapes, stripes, polka dots, anything that you like. So I'm gonna do mine, and I'll be right back to show you what I've done. Okay, so it took me quite a while to color my cap of my hook. So this is what I've done. So I put a lot of waves, and I put a few polka dots around the side. And I tried to color the top part where we're gonna put the hook in. It didn't turn out so well, so maybe don't color that part, but that's up to you. Maybe pick a different color than what Miss Ariel did. So after you decorate your cup, or you could do it in the reverse order, we're gonna take our hook that's in your bag, and we're gonna take our aluminum foil, and we're just gonna place the hook a little bit like this, like so. Start with the pointed end and cover it. That way we're gonna fold it. That way, once we're done, this hook is gonna look silvery. So it's gonna look like real metal that a pirate has. So when we're done with it, it'll look a little something like this. Yarg, me matey. So then, once you've locked down your hook, and if you can fold it and just crimple it around, but you can always tape it too. So if you have tape at home, you can always do that. This is a really easy, just fun craft. So you guys get to play with something right away. So once you have that part done, there is a slit at the bottom of your cup. So you see that? And that's where we're gonna put the pointed, not the pointed end, but the bottom part of your hook in through the hole there, including with the aluminum foil. So it might be a little bit tricky, but once you're done, it'll look a little bit something like that. And so that way on the bottom of the cup, the pointed edge of the cardboard is something you can hold on to. So you can have your little pirate hand in here and you say, "Arg, me hearty, you walk the plank." And then that's it. That's our hook. How fun is this? Since we talked about pirates and fairies, we thought this might be a fun craft. So I hope that you enjoyed this craft, and I hope that you click around and see what else you can find.